This is the foam roller exercise for your hamstrings, which is the muscle behind your thigh. To get in position, sitting on the ground, place a foam roller underneath the hamstring you want to work. Keep that leg straight, opposite leg bent. You're going to use your arms to push yourself forward and back, going up and down the length of the hamstring. So all the way up to underneath your hip and all the way down to above your knee. You can also rotate to your side to get the outside of that hamstring, and then rotate to the other side to get to the inside of that hamstring. Once you get a trigger point, you can sit there and hold for 20 or 30 seconds. You can also rotate your hip inside and out while you're on that trigger point to massage it a little bit.